All right, here we are, starting a new project. It is Tuesday. We finalized a full bathroom remodel yesterday, Monday, collected a payment. Now we're ready to start a brand new remodel. Fortunately, it's only 10 minutes from my house, so that's awesome. Close to home, 10-minute drive. Our only problem is that it's a condo. We have to find a place on the street for our small little dump trailer for all of the debris. So let's see if we can find some space on the street to park the trailer, load up all the debris, and then head to the dump. And that will be it for today. It'll be a fairly easy day. Alleviates a need for a gym membership. We're gonna get a bit of a workout. So full bathroom remodel, 10 minutes away. Let's find some parking for the trailer. Here we go. All right, here we are. This is project number 1 out of 3 for this condo. We are first gonna start with remodeling the shower and the floor. So we have a shower room here. Rip out the floor, rip out the toilet. We have a standard 3x5 shower here. It looks like we're possibly floated. Not quite sure. Could be hardy backer, but definitely large floated curb and pan. So we are definitely gonna get a workout today. After we complete this shower, should take about a week, then we move to the hall bath, which is a full bathroom remodel, floor, shower, vanity, you name it. And then we do a half bath downstairs. So busting out the sledgehammer, time to tear this out. All right, big, fat, floated shower. Look at that there. 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches. Oh, it's gonna be a workout today. We're upstairs as well. So we're knocking it off. Small chunks like this, bagging it up, bringing it downstairs, and tossing it into the trailer. Let's get a workout, baby. Here we go. It's a pain in the butt, this nasty floated shower. Curb is out. Now it's time for the shower pan. Pain in the butt. Good workout though. Let's knock the pan out and then clean up and prep for plumbing. Alright, demo of the shower is finally done. I would say a good 8 hours. We put into this about, I don't know, 50 to 60 bags to load up. We have about 30 in the trailer. We're putting about 20 to 25 in the back of the truck to add to the dump trailer. But huge workout. We feel much stronger now. No need for a gym. Demo's done. Time to prep the studs. Time to do some plumbing. So here are the walls. Delete the mixing valve. We've got to clean up all the framing here. Pull out our 3-piece drain body there, and yeah, get prepping on this 3x5 shower. Here we go. All right, here we are, guys. Moving right along. We're gonna take over this area here. A table's gonna go. Our Montelite 36-inch snapper will be placed here. We have protection for the vanity. This is a DeWalt foam pad used as a knee pad, or we use it as protection again for this vanity that will remain in place. So yeah, demo's complete. Board is going up. We are not installing a niche. We will be installing 3 Schluter shelf eaves. 1, 2, 3. Plumbing the valve right now, getting the board on the walls. We're gonna waterproof the walls and then move on to the shower pan, shower curb, and waterproof that as well. Good morning. We are moving right along on this project. Full shower remodel. Here are our great options. This is what our client went with. A brushed gold. Christmas came early today. Our truck sale trowels are like 4 years old. The corners were not sharp. Grouting was a pain in the butt. So we have some new grout floats and this awesome Frosh 1/2 inch trowel. One of the best, I think. This is the best bang for your money. It's under 20 bucks, half-inch, super light, super durable. I'll leave links for this if you guys want to check it out. We're gonna get the air set up here. Basically, super simple, waterproof the walls. We're gonna install the pan, the curb, waterproof the pan, the corners, the seams, and then turn our dehumidifier on, go to lunch, come back, and install our herringbone marble pan tile. This right here must be one of the best purchases ever. Under 300 bucks, 3 options. You have a fan if you want to cure, let's say, drywall work or texture spray. You have dry, which is dehumidifier, suck moisture. It'll cure things like thin set when you do waterproofing a lot quicker so that you can set tile in the same day. And of course, you have AC. A very nice, cool AC, cold air blowing. I mean, if you're comfortable, you work more efficient, you work faster, so highly recommend it. Link will be down in the description if you guys want to check it out. Worth every single penny. So we're gonna get right to it. I'm gonna mix up some thin set. We're going to waterproof the walls first, and then cut down our Schluter tray, build our low profile curb, and waterproof this pan. Go have a nice lunch, come back and install the pan tile. Let's get to it, guys.